Boom! No, this is not a mirage. This is not fake. This is the real thing. Just don't put your paws all over it. You can't touch it.
The gentleman that's getting this bike is from Ohio. He's super excited. Some of these items are already for stock for you to buy.
Boom! No, this is not a mirage. This is not fake. This is the real thing. We're at Bergen County Harley Davidson. This morning, right now, the brand new RR just got delivered. It is beautiful, beautiful. If you guys did see the videos that I posted a few months ago when we were out in Austin, Texas, we were there for the unveil of this bike. We had the Harley Davidson team do the walk around, go over all the details, all the specs. And real quick, I'll just talk a little bit about everything, then Sergio will go talking about everything else about the bike. But basically, this bike was just delivered from the racetrack. The racing development team that had their hands all over this build. They were able to craft this thing up and deliver it to the crowd right now. So 131 of them made. They're all pretty much sold already. Dealerships, only special dealerships that got the allocation in order to receive them. It went by sales. Sergio could touch base on that. Here they move a lot of Road Glides and baggers, so they were allocated one right away. But just all the details on this bike, all carbon fiber, all billet parts, the Acrobatic exhaust, the 131, the swing arm, which is insane. That swing arm is made from one block, and it's all crafted and done up from that, man. The C-cow is pretty cool, something different that we've kind of see on the racetrack, you could say. The all-in suspension, front and rear, just ton of stuff. We could spend probably an hour here going over all the details. The paint, the Brembo brakes, it's just a ton of stuff. This is, you might ask yourself right now, well, what is this? Something that the race bikes have is more so for the racers on the racetrack, for them to position themselves when they're on the racetrack. This thing is insane. What do you think about it now that you see it in person? Because you saw videos, you saw pictures.
Sure. In person's crazy. Everything about it's perfect, for sure. We were lucky enough to get number 52 of the 131. Like he was saying, you have to be a high-performing dealer to qualify for one of these, and
boom.
So that's a thank you and a tribute to all of our customers that come out to us and support us, because that's how we get these bikes. The gentleman that's getting this bike is from Ohio. He's super excited. FaceTime this morning, and he is ready to go. Come pick her up.
He's from Ohio?
He is from Ohio.
That is insane, because we're out here in Jersey, and what can you just walk us through the whole transaction of how?
So we posted it on our website saying that we are one of the dealers that were lucky enough to get one of these motorcycles. We had inquiries left and right, but we left it up to the customer. Whoever left us the first deposit, it was theirs. We are a family-owned business for 50 years now, and we said whoever does commit, we're going to commit to them, and he was the first one to commit, took it, and he's ready to go.
Nice.
Yeah.
From Ohio.
Yep.
That's insane.
Which just shows you that there really isn't that many out there. He was trying to locate it at his local dealers, and they didn't have it. Jersey has 2, and we are one of them.
The state of Jersey only has 2?
The state of New Jersey, out of all the dealers that are out here, there's only 2.
Wow. By any chance, how many dealerships in the country, or rough part?
We used to be about 700.
700?
Roughly, yeah.
Okay. That's insane. Okay. And then there's a lot less than that right now.
Yeah.
And then 131 of these are made. You guys have 52.
So a couple little special things about this motorcycle that's really cool too is, as we were going through this process of them being built one by one, the customer is actually going to get a customized helmet for this motorcycle as well. It's going to be the complete color match and everything that this motorcycle has. They're also getting 2 of the Harley Davidson racing hats for this motorcycle. They're also going to get the lanyard, which is a metal plate to go to all of the bagger races.
Yes.
So that is included with this purchase. So you are getting just the whole lifestyle of this.
It's a bundle deal.
Bundle deal.
So I was out in Milwaukee at the Moto America race where they just had their last King of the Baggers race. And in the tent, there were, I think there might have been 2 of the buyers that were there. They came with their lanyards, they had access to the pit. So that's another thing. So when you buy this bike, that lanyard gives you access for you to go to the races. You have access to the racing pit. You get to hang out with the whole Harley Davidson team, meet the racers and all that stuff. So you're not just buying a bike, you're buying an experience at that. And before people go down the rabbit hole of, well, Harley Davidson is doing stuff for the rich and this is who can afford this because the bike is expensive. Hell yeah, I would have to sell my ass in order for me to buy this bike. It's $110,000 base price, right? But you need to remember there's 131 of them built. They're marked at that price. These bikes are meant for certain type of people. People who just have fuck you money and just don't give a shit. Like, it is what it is. They're already all sold. So they're trying to give a little here, do something cool there, and just bring in different type of people in. I think it's cool. I think it's awesome the fact that we could see something like this be brought out from the racetrack. Is it for me? I would love it to be for me, but it's not for me. But I could really enjoy it. I really appreciate the company doing something like this.
And a couple other cool fun facts about this is now that they have these parts built, some of these items are already for stock for you to buy. So if you already have a Road Glide in the 24 or 25 and you want some of these parts, they are available.
So we got the Öhlins suspension that's available on the catalog. We have
swing arm.
The swing arm just recently went right?
Yep.
It's now available.
Front fender.
The front fender is available as well. Let me just pivot over here so I can show you guys the swing arm real quick. It's insane. Like, you really got to see it in person. It's huge. It's insane. It's just a art craft. Look at this, all billet on this side for the primary cover.
Inside the bag.
That is insane. Just look at that swing arm. All carbon fiber. Everything. So I want to just show you guys real quick. So you'll see from the front, it starts off with that orange. This is all carbon fiber, but the way the paint is just real dark. It gets lighter and it goes into that DG camel print, and then you can just see the carbon right there. It's just beautiful, man. Like, it was really thought out, really put together, executed really nice. Like I said, the Harley Davidson Racing Factory team, they were the ones that were kind of in charge of putting all this together. This was their their puppy right here, their baby. And I think that they did a phenomenal job, man. Special day here at Bergen County Harley Davidson. Congratulations to them on their sales. That's why they were lucky enough to acquire this bike.
And definitely a shout out to Todd from Ohio purchasing it from me. So I appreciate you, man. Looking forward to come out here and take that bike.
Also, you're the lucky seller.
I am the lucky salesman.
That's what we say. He's my favorite salesman. Say it. I'm your only salesman.
Only, there you go, only. And don't forget, if you do want to put your eyes on this, because you can't touch it, Bike Night, this Thursday from 5 to 8:30, Bergen County Harley. Come check it out.
Just don't put your paws all over it. You can't touch it. If you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Also, we're at Bergen County right now, so if you guys do miss the old videos, we haven't done a video here in a while. We're going to start doing it. We've just been really busy. What do you guys want to see? Type of content, comparisons. Let me know. Drop it down below. I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace. You going to let me test ride this thing for a video or no?
No, sorry.
God damn it.
We're not even test riding it.
I tried.